everyone, this is Mariel and welcome back to another video. So I hope you're doing great today, and as you can see, I'm very excited because I'll be sharing my thoughts and reflections about one of the most famous and controversial artwork in Philippine history. Actually, I just watched this video posted from my instructor for us to watch and learn something from it, and then he just wanted us to answer this reflection but in a video form. So that is what I'm doing right now. And this reflection is based solely on what requirements or what instruction he provided. So after watching the video, I choose Spoliarium. Spoliarium. Okay, there's a debate on how to pronounce that, but Spoliarium it is. Okay. I choose Spoliarium by Juan Luna because of its powerful message and historical significance. Spoliarium is an oil painting painted in 1884 during the Spanish colonial period in the Philippines. It shows fallen Roman gladiators being dragged away after a battle. At first glance, it looks like a scene from ancient Rome. But if you look closer, it actually represents suffering, injustice, and the loss of human dignity. As I analyzed the artwork, I already noticed the dramatic lighting, dark colors, and emotional composition. The lower part of the painting is filled with shadows and lifeless bodies, while the brighter upper part creates a strong contrast. This use of light and colors makes the suffering of the defeated gladiators stand out even more. I also believe that gladiators symbolize the Filipino people, while the Roman setting represent the oppression and abuse experienced under Spanish colonial rule. And I also did my research about the painter or the artist Juan Luna, who was a Filipino painter and an important member of the Philippine propaganda movement. In 1884, the painting won a gold medal at the Exposition Nacional de Bellas Artes in Madrid, proving that Filipinos could compete and excel on the international stage. Based on my analysis and research, I believe Juan Luna's intention was to inspire empathy, nationalism, and hope. Through the symbol of the gladiators and his powerful use of colors, light, and composition, he encouraged people to recognize the suffering of Filipinos and to desire freedom and change. The artwork itself supports this interpretation. The defeated gladiators, the grieving figures, and the dark atmosphere all communicate pain and injustice. At the same time, Juan Luna's background as a Filipino artist living during the colonial period helps explain why he used symbolism instead of directly criticizing Spanish rule. So after learning about the artist's intent, I now appreciate Spoliarium even more because I already heard this painting because it is so controversial here in Philippine history, but now I get the chance to share my thoughts and opinion about it. So yeah, I realized that great works of art are not only beautiful to look at, but can also tell powerful stories about history, freedom, and human dignity. This artwork of Juan Luna's Spoliarium reminded me that art can inspire people, express emotions, and even become a voice for those who cannot speak freely. And that, I believe, conclude my reflection from the video. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you learned something from it, and Duncan!